Have you ever felt pressured to sleep with someone on a date?
Never.
Not me. Well, if you think that feeling is reserved exclusively for women, think again. A series of text messages was posted to the photo-sharing site Imager by using Jedi mind flicks, showing a man's date harassing him for not wanting to have sex with her the night before.
Whoa.
The woman tells the man it took her 2 hours to get ready and that she shaved her legs for nothing. The guy said he simply didn't feel like having sex that night. Adrienne, do you think this is a double standard? Would you be offended if a man turned you down for sex?